beautiful lady, how you doing? Awesome, awesome. So tell the people how you hear about us, what you think about us.
Well, the first time I heard about it, I was at work on Islands and they came on the compound and they were giving out free platinum sign up, so I just jumped right in.
And you were able to sign up, and what did you receive as a platinum member?
Well, I got free credit
Awesome, so you get free coupon to offset your payments for your next shipping.
and I also got free shipping coupon.
Yes, tell them, tell them.
It's
So,
a plus.
so would you recommend us?
Yeah, I don't know if any other shipping company that actually gives free shipping coupon is the first. And it's not so bad because you actually get the delivery right to your home. So why not?
That's a plus too. Thank you so much again. Anybody you want to big up?
Well, big up to all my family and friends. Hi, you can come right in.
There is a coupon card right on your package. If you look on it, there is a five pound free coupon. So what you can do with that one is to go ahead and write your mail number on it, give it to somebody. Once they sign up and send us that mail ID, we'll realize it's you, and then they'll be able to use their 5 free pound coupon to offset their next payment. All right. All right. Thank you so much, love. Have a good one.